Hi car lovers, today we're showing you how to change your flat tire. What you need is a pliers, lug wrench, hubcap removal tool, jack, and finally but not least, you need your spare tire, which you should always check once you're getting your other 4 tires checked. Don't ever forget about it, because if you forget and one of your 4 flat tires got a flat tire, you'll be in trouble. So first thing off, the pliers was used to remove the wheel cap, otherwise known as a hubcap. So that's how you do it. And then the next thing is to let loose of the lug nuts. If it's a bit hard, use pressure. Apply pressure from your body by stepping on it. Let loose. Do not remove, just let loose. Okay? Next, you use your jack. Ensure that your car is on hazard, away from the other motorists, and it's on brakes. Okay? So here's how you pull up your jack. It goes clockwise. Okay? Clockwise. See it on a sand, it sinks. So ensure that your jack is on a flat surface so that it cannot sink. And you see, if you had removed the lug nuts, the tire would fall off and there could be an injury or an accident. That's why your lug nuts should be loose, not completely removed. Okay, so ensure you look for a flat surface where your jack can lay on so that it cannot sink. All right, so do the same process in a clockwise direction so that it can suspend off your tire. Ensure that it doesn't suspend a lot, just a little far from the surface or from the ground, but not way far off. Just sliding your lug wrench so that there's some space in between. Then now remove the lug nuts. Okay, that's the importance. Also, the lug nuts are removed anti-clockwise. Okay, and there we go. Your tire is out. Okay, now since this is a demo, assume you've taken the spare tire and you're putting it back on. Ensure that all the holes, the 4 holes, are well aligned, as well as the center hole. Okay, just put it back. Once everything is aligned, start putting the lug nuts back. And this time, the lug nuts are being put in a clockwise direction. See the way the clock moves in a clockwise direction? That's how you start putting it back. Okay, don't tighten it first before you remove the jack. Okay, just a little bit to hold the tire together. Then remove the jack in an anti-clockwise direction. Once the car is down, now not so tight, just lock back the lug nuts. Also, you can apply some little pressure from your body or from your foot, right? So ensure everything is intact. Once you've confirmed, now it's time to put the wheel cap back, or the hubcap. It's called a hubcap. So ensure the nozzle is aligned properly and the center is also aligned. Using the pliers is just a modification to ensure that you don't lose your wheel cap every other time, right? So put it back, use the pliers to hold it, and there you have it. You just changed your flat tire.